Alright everybody, it's me RJ. Today we are gonna remove a stuck bleeder screw on your calipers. Okay, I already did one. Where's the other one? As you can see, where's the camera right there? As you can see, that thing is toast. So I had to use vice grips, PB blast, and eventually a heat gun. You can use a propane torch. My propane canister, the MAP gas was out. So guess what? This worked, and this was actually what finally got it. I let it soak for a while. PB blast did that. Had to go to the vice grip because it was stripped enough that the would not work. The sockets. I even tried hammering the next size down. It's a 10 millimeter or 3/8. So I took an 1132 and tried to do it, and it just wouldn't. It got on, but it just stripped too. So that's what I'd do. This one's on this side's been soaking a while. These are front on a 97 Dodge Ram, but most cars it'll work the same. I don't know if you're gonna want to heat up on a wheel cylinder type one. It's on the rear and the wheel cylinder because there's a lot of rubber in there. But with a heat gun, at least you don't have to worry about overheating it. Just let the gun run for a few minutes to warm to its full power, and then go in there and put it right on it like this, right there. Try to avoid this in 10 seconds. Make sure you didn't overheat this. 10 seconds, because you also don't want to boil your brake fluid that's inside there. So as you can see, I put some I'm running on selfie camera. Okay, I put some PB blast on there already. I'm gonna hit it with some more, just to be sure, because this one's stripped too. All right. You can just find bleeder screws in the aisles at Advance or O'Reilly, all them, or you can ask them if they're being helpful. Today they were not being helpful, and I had to ask them, well, don't you know the pitch and thread? Well, I would if I took the bleeder screw off and let all my fluid leak, but I didn't, so I didn't have it with me. Being weird. So I got that, and here's the new one. And it cost me like $2.99 for both. So what I do is that I'm going to try to see if I can do a socket first, just because that'd be better than having to strip it. I have a 3/8 and a 10 millimeter out here, because my 3/8 is 6 points. For some reason, my millimeters are, where did I just put the millimeter? My millimeters are not, it's right there. My millimeters are 12 points. I know. Actually, I brought one out here. I'm bringing a tall 10 millimeter out here, I think. That is a 6 point. So we're going to try that guy out. I know you're probably getting most sickness. I'm videoing myself. I have one of them helping me, but they're in there. It's cold. They don't want to do it. So, alright, so I'm going to attempt to go right in there. And as you can see, so I didn't have to take anything off, I just turned the tires really hard. Okay? Let's set this camera here, see if we can watch us while we work. Do. Odin's daughter. Watch me the lights work. Hold on. Give me a second. It's not really working. But set it right there. We're gonna hit the 10. See what kind of grip it has. It's got none. So it's stripped enough. The 10 no longer grips. I got an 1132 right here. I don't actually. That's a 3/8. So the 3/8 was not wanting to go on. So let's see if I can put that guy on and get my. I might get lucky. With the hammer the 3/8 on, it might be enough grip. It's wanting to go. I'm gonna pull it off. I'm gonna PB blast it some more. It's that tight, it might go. I'm actually gonna hit it with the heat gun real quick. Give it a little more. You're like, why do you do that? Well, it frees up the rust. But also, after you hit it with the heat, if you want, put some starting fluid on there right after the heat, and it might blast it away. But can't get this guy off now. He got stuck on the other one too. Okay, so Hit it with the heat. It does two things. It helps the rust break free, but it does this. When stuff gets hot, it expands. And after it gets cold again, it contracts. And it sometimes helps you get that little bit of oomph to get it going. Alright? I'm going to pause it and just leave you here while I get the heat gun. This is what I use for my heat gun. I don't use it very often. Box. Okay, got nice Ferno. Wagner Ferno 500. It goes up to 1200 degrees, I believe. Some go higher, some don't. So that's the fan, two settings, and then that, and then yeah, see it's on cool. Make sure it's messed up. I might unplug it, go into the cooling that I want to do. The people I'm videoing with. Well, I mean, I didn't want to bug you. You want a video for me? You guys, my phone's there and it can kind of see. It's okay for right now, but stay here. So I'm gonna let this heat up. It's full power out here. Heat this bad boy up. It's not perfect. You can't really see what I'm doing, but it can. Come see. Come see. Come wait. I'm gonna get this hot. And like I said, I'm gonna go right to it. 1, 2. Watch. Like a dragon. Watch out. Now it stopped going on. I went a lot longer than I wanted because I was busy doing stupid stuff. It's not high yet because the gun's not at its full temp. Everything else is cool. And go again. Hold it right up to it. I know PV Blast is flammable. That's why I waited a few minutes after it sprayed. And this isn't a flame, so it'd make it harder to combust with just the air heat. It will do it though. And even after this, on the other one when I used my vice grip, it was like slow turning. I barely got to move a little at a time. It was not. It's getting hot. It's a little warm, but not bad. And the hose, the brake line hose is right there. You don't want to melt the rubber. So try to keep your gun up just on that tip. Hello, how are you? Alright, it's steaming off of it. So, we're going to take a break on the heat gun. Actually, screw that, I'm going to go one more. Okay, turn her off, unplug it too, so it's cool off better. So, we almost got it. We're going to try that 10mm again, see what happens. That wasn't the 10, was it? It was 3/8. Had the hammer on. So, it needs the... Will you see if there's a 3/8 in there that isn't a 1/4" drive, like it's the regular 3/8 or whatever? So I don't have to... Okay.
That's not a 3/8.
Oh, look at that, y'all. There you go. And the heat did it again. What? We're recording. Where's the bag? Grab that bag. It's got a leader screw in it. So.
What'd you do with the other one?
On the car.
Or did you not get it up?
Oh, the bad one? It's laying down in the grass somewhere. So. Don't knock the heat. Because, look at that. I can't see, but you're going to see in a second. Watch. Y'all fell. You guys alright? Sorry. You fell head over heels for me. Alright, she's in video real quick. Can we switch angles while we're in video or no? Alright, hold it this way. Bring it in here, would you?
I don't...
Come on here. Stick it in there. Down right there, okay? So, it's getting so loose. I gotta do that. You're good, just hold it right there, don't move. And it's gonna leak a little, so you're gonna add more air. But you get your new one and try to get it straight because you don't want to get any debris in there. Finger tighten it so you don't strip it out. Put the new one on. The new one is a 10. So you're gonna switch over to the other socket. And voila, you have magic. Look, Shut up here. Up here a little. Right there. You have, oh, I might use the short one. The big one is, what's up? Sorry. We gotta use the 12 point, which I don't like using, but it's a brand new one, so we should be okay.
Am I on it?
Yeah, I think so, yeah. Just hold it still. So, after you get that done, now we have the fun part, come on out, of bleeding it. So, the way this works, start at the tire.
Okay.
I know, video.
No.
Yeah. Bleeding it, showing them how to change it. I want to show them how to, if you don't know. She's arguing with me, I don't know why. Tell me to do a different video. We're working. Start at the furthest tire. So you want to go passenger rear, driver rear. That one. Driver, passenger front, driver front. Someone's going to be in there. It's going to kill you to try to do it. If you try to do it by yourself without helper, you're going to need to buy that little bottle with the spray and pump it and do it. And then, no. You need a person in there. Get on the brake pedal, pump, 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 pump while the car's off. It'll get hard, hard. Hold the pedal. Don't let it go. While that person's holding the pump, you loosen the bleeder screw. They got the kind that are even cooler now that you don't have to keep doing this, and it's got a self-bleed, like the ratcheting style, off and on. Those are better, but whatever. So, there you go. Bleeder screw. Break down. Release it, and it'll go. That's the air releasing. Close it. They can let go. Pump, 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 pump. Release the air. Close it. They can let go. Pump, 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 pump. Release it. When it stops going, then just as the stream of fluid, you're good. Move to the next tire, the next tire, the next tire. You got it. All right, that's it. As always, I'm RJ. See you today, each and every day. Bye-bye.